So are we waiting on the track to clear ahead of us?
No, we have to go all out as a group, and I'm waiting. Some people take forever to get loaded up. They can't get their helmet on. They forget their SD card. So we're waiting. There we go. We got the last guy there, so we're good to go. And then we need to leave a little room. We don't want rocks flying at us, so we need a little room. So we'll do a slow lap here first. Take a look at a few things. First thing to look at is how much room we use on the way in. So use the turning cone. Use all the track space on the way in, right? So right alongside the curve, turn in from the turning cone. Use the curve at the apex. There it is. Out to the left here, let it unwind. Alright, apex, touch it. Stay off that curve. That's what that white cone's letting you know. You touch these on the way in. Straight line here, brake. When we do brake, I'll use third gear next time around. We don't need to do it. In the middle here, right? Let it turn. Very late apex, turn. Get it. We're trying to make this one big arc here for 5A and B, so we get the apex on the way in. Steering here. Alongside the curve. Left here, right? Use all the apex here. Start steering in. There's the apex. What do I do there? Stay off that white cone. It used to be white paint, it's just white now. Straight down in. Straight line in your brake. Let it turn. Let it turn. Space here. Off the brake. Let it turn. So a lot of brakes.
That's freaking insane, dude.
I recorded that for you.
I had no clue.
Yeah. You're doing it right.
Holy mackerel. From here, it looks like you're going over the gravel in the corners.
Yeah, no, I'm using all of the curve.
I could tell.
Yeah, you gotta get real tight to the apex at my speed because I need all the room on the exit.
Then you get the next.
Sitting right here, it looks like you're in the rocks.
Yeah, like if that was my apex, I'd get like that. Yeah, I know what you mean. It feels like that on the passenger side.
Holy mackerel.
Stop recording. Here, I recorded.